The Betafit Air is designed to be the most secure and comfortable safety helmet for working at heights. Constructed with a high-impact ABS plastic shell, it delivers exceptional protection complemented by an EPS foam core, the vital safety component within the Betafit Air. It also features extra padded, impact reduction sweatbands and comfort inserts to maximise both protection and wearability during long shifts. As with our terrain helmet, the Air includes an adjustable ventilation system operated by a simple sliding switch, allowing you to open or close vents with ease and maintain optimal comfort in warmer conditions. For a truly versatile and tailored fit, the Betafit Air incorporates an adjustable 6-point suspension, rapid dial ratchet adjustment and our dual-point flex system. This ensures outstanding stability and comfort for wearers of all head shapes and sizes. Available in a variety of colours, the Betafit Air can be paired with a wide range of accessories including ear defenders and visors, making it adaptable to numerous working environments and applications. With our in-house PrintPro service, your helmets can also be customised with company logos or names in up to 4 colours and multiple print positions, ensuring your team's safety gear proudly represents your brand.